We hope you are having a great day, and it's about to get a lot better because there are many recipes floating around on how to make chorizo, but which one is the best? Of course, any type that Chef Martin makes, duh. Chef Martin Lopez is here this morning to show us how to make it. Chef, we're so excited to see you, and we've had a lot of people ask us if you would do this. So what is chorizo as we get started?
Well, yes, Laura. Let me tell you, one of the first things is when people go to the store, this is what they typically see, right? It's just like a sausage looking thing, and then they get home and eat it up. And usually you don't have a way to control the spiciness or the flavor for that matter. So what I wanted to show you guys, and this is why I get this recipe asked all the time, is because you can control what kind of meat you put in it, how spicy do you want it, or even you can have a vegan option to eat to make it. So here we go. We have a lot of talk and very little time, so I'm gonna move right along. The first thing you want to do is get your peppers, right? Your sun-dried peppers, and pardon my back. You're just gonna throw them in a comal, and this immediately, see that little smokiness you're getting? These are like little pieces of paper, so you want to make sure that you don't burn them because they do burn very quickly. And all we want to do is just wake up the oils in the sun-dried peppers, and we're gonna put them in a food processor. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our mushrooms. We're gonna do a vegan version of the chorizo. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our paste, and we're gonna add it in here with our mushrooms. And while this is going, we're gonna continue to do our paste. So we have cinnamon, cumin, cloves, and so on. You get the idea. The entire recipe is gonna be on the website. So you make your paste, you mix it with your mushrooms on your skillet. You cook this up, and then you're gonna start adding tofu to turn it into a chorizo that is gonna look like that. Get a fresh corn tortilla. And if you like street tacos, this is where you're gonna be at. A little green salsa, and then some fresh cilantro, and some onion, and you are good to go.
I just wish I were there and I could smell it and taste it because it looks awesome, Chef Martin, as always. And all of you at home can find more of Chef Martin's recipes on his Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook pages by searching the username Chef Martin Lopez.